iEFF isihlabe yahlikiza isinqumo saseNingizimu Afrika sokuvala imingcele o20 evumela abantu abasondelene kwamazwe akhelene nathi afana noZimbabwe, noMozambique neSwaziland ukuthi bangene la eNingizimu Afrika. uJulius Malema uthi umnotho walamazwe usebenzisana nowala eNingizimu Afrika futhi lesinqumo sikahulumeni sizoba nomthelela omubi kwimindeni yalabantu abasebenza la eNingizimu Afrika abaqhamuka kulamazwe.
It's an act of classism and racism, and the president of South Africa, who happens to chair the African Union, should have said that South Africa has been closed for African people. It is ironic, as the coronavirus did not enter South Africa through Zimbabwe, Lesotho or Swaziland, but came from Italy. It is a narrow, quick fix solution to a complex problem and will undermine the dignity of many people who have families and livelihoods in South Africa.
EUganda kuvotelwa uhulumeni omusha. uMalema usexwayise uMongameli wase-Uganda uYoweri Museveni ukuthi angasabisi laba abagaqele isikhundla sakhe sobumongameli abafana noBobi Wine adedele amasosha ukuthi afike ezobashaya futhi angasebenzisi nobugebengu ukuntshontsha ukhetho lalela lizwe.
We call on President Museveni to desist from practicing thuggery, intimidation and violence in order to secure electoral victory. Africa must stop being a site of violence at the times of elections because of aging leaders who refuse to let go of power.
Umhlaba wonkana uzama ukulwa nalolu bhubhane le-COVID-19. Futhi iNingizimu Afrika isazama ukunqanda ukubhebhetheka kwehlandla lesibili lalolu bhubhane.
Now nations are talking about producing their own vaccine. Russia is busy, China is busy, USA is busy, India is busy, Cuba is busy. We are talking procurement. We are not talking producing our own vaccine.
iEFF inxusa abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi balithathe ikhambi lalo lolu bhubhane le-COVID-19 malifika. NginguSamkele Maseko wezindaba ze-SABC eGoli.